Read emails and get paid. How simple can that be? Let me show you how. Hey guys, I'm back with a brand new way to make $300 per day by simply reading emails. This is a completely beginner-friendly method, so basically anyone can do this. After watching this video, and guys, this is an evergreen method, so it's guaranteed to work through all the upcoming years. But guys, I'm gonna share a few secrets throughout the video which will maximize your profits, so make sure to pay close attention and do not skip any parts. And now guys, I'm gonna jump into the first step, but only after I ask you to hit that like button if you like this method, and subscribe to the channel if you want to learn about more ways to monetize your time online. And now let's jump into the first step. So for the first step of our method, I want you guys to connect to Vindale.com. This is a website which is going to help us tremendously today in our initiative to make some money online. And right off the bat, you can see that here it says you can get paid to take surveys online, and of course you can do surveys here, but I want you to forget about those because those things can be really boring and sometimes take a lot of time, sometimes don't. But today we're going to make money by reading emails. That's what we're here for. And now let's go into action. For start, you can simply watch this video they've got here, and there they will tell you something about this website and the ways in which you can earn money here. But the thing I wanted to show you first is that these guys have paid out nearly $8 million to their members. $8 million, guys, that's some crazy amount of money paid out, and now we want to grab some of that money for ourselves. We'll grab some of that money, and you just need to follow my instructions and you will get all that money into your PayPal balance. So this website doesn't pay you in gift cards, doesn't pay you in some points. PayPal cash, guys, that's the thing that we love the most. Give us that cash and we'll be happy. As you can see on Trustpilot, they've got pretty good reviews. I'll just click on this, and here you can see that they've got nearly 5,000 reviews, and the rating is 3.6 out of 5. This rating is not bad at all because all these people these instructions, and as you can see we will end up like these people who's left a nice review, so 5 stars recently. And now let's go back to the website, and here you can see as well that you can take surveys at home or on the go. How it goes with these websites, sometimes people don't have enough patience and they don't use the website properly, and then they are not satisfied. We're not going to be those people. We're going to be patient and we're going to follow. So it doesn't matter which device you're using, it doesn't matter which operating system you're using as well, you're still able to earn some cash here. And now let me show you how it works. As I said, you can take paid surveys, you can earn plenty of money in surveys as well. As you can see, 14 for one survey, it's a great amount of money, but there is a better way. We can read emails on this website and get some of these $8 million for ourselves as well. And if you're interested in surveys, nevertheless, there are a few topics which you can search, and those are cars and trucks, politics and current events, sports, new technology, popular restaurants, home improvement, health and beauty, shopping and fashion, and travel and leisure. I tried all of these, and I must tell you that health and beauty and shopping and fashion are the most profitable ones here. So if you want to involve yourself in surveys, go for these ones, as they will give you huge amounts of money. And I'll just really quickly show you how much you can get paid for surveys. So as you can see, $10, $1, $3, $14, $1. So there is some nice money in surveys as well. But we're gonna get back to the website and we're gonna read some emails. And as you have the opportunity to see right here, someone left a review and said, Vindale paid me $100 via PayPal. This is the best of the survey sites I have come across. The surveys are fun, interesting and easy to complete. So thank you, Brooke, thank you very much for your review. And as you can see, these happy smiling faces earn money as well, so it is pretty legit website. This is a website in which you can trust, and all we have to do to get this started up is click on the sign up button located over here. And now they're going to take you to this application form, which is a bit tricky, and as they say, you're one step closer to getting paid for your opinion. Complete the remaining steps below and start earning today. But as I said, this form is a bit tricky because these guys have made it clear that they accept only people from United States, Canada, United Kingdom or Australia. So we found gonna select this one, randomlist.com, and over here you can select some random generators for yourself. As you can see, random team generator, random addresses, random word generator, random animals, random things, female names, you name it. Basically anything that you need you're gonna find here. And as you might expect, we're gonna choose random addresses, and in here I want you guys to scroll down a little bit more, and in this dataset drop down menu, you're going to select Canadian addresses, and that's going to give us these 6 addresses which we're going to use for signing up on Vindale. So choose any of these over here and copy them and paste at the application form of Vindale. I'm going to choose this 63 Corona Street because it's Corona times and let's be friends with it. So just copy this, and now you should just paste that over here. I typed it manually. Select Canada, fill all these other informations and click on continue button, and once you do, everything correctly, they're gonna ask you that you confirm your email. They're gonna send you a validation link to your email, so make sure you enter in a valid email address so you can do that, and when you have logged in they will send you this nice, sweet message saying welcome, earn $1 now, and of course you can learn and earn $1, but $1 is nothing compared to what we're gonna earn on this website today. And as you can see now, you can click on offers here and that will show you all these different offers which you can do for money. You can do all of them and they will refresh constantly, so you will never run out of offers to do on this website. As long as you have the patience and your spare time, you can do them, and you can do as many as you want. And right here you can see all the ways to get paid on this website and surveys. We don't care about those referrals as well, and here it is, earn cash for every email you open. So this is the best way you can earn money on this website, and it's also the easiest way. Just open those emails and you will get paid. Open those emails and you will get paid. How simple does that sound? If I happen to run into more simple way than this, then make sure I will share it with you. But for now, this is the most simplest thing on earth. You will just open the email and you'll get money sent straight to your PayPal account. But if you want to earn some more money and some more passive income, get ready, because they have referral program, and it's a very unique referral program which works in a way that you will get $5 for every friend referral. So basically that means whenever you invite someone here and they make an account here, you will get $5. So go out there, and in the end I want to show you some of these reviews. As you can see, plenty of happy faces on Vindale. They all got paid on Vindale. They all got some money and they are a part of that $8 million program. As you can see, look at him over here. He is very happy. He got his $50, and with this method that I'm showing you, you can do the same. You can earn some money for yourself very easily just by opening emails, and you need to take action and you need to start monetizing your time online, because as you can see, everyone can do it. Why shouldn't you get some money as well? If all these people can do it, why shouldn't you do that as well? That's it for today's video, guys. Take care, and I will see you in the next video.